Key signatures tell us which pitches are sharp or flat in a piece of music. So if there are 3 sharps in the key signature, we know that we need to play all the Fs, Cs, and Gs as F sharp, C sharp, and G sharp. If there are 3 flats in the key signature, then we play E, A, and B as E flat, A flat, and B flat. When looking at a key signature, there's a trick to knowing the tonic name. The trick with flat signatures is to find the second to last flat, and that is the name of the key signature. So with 4 flats in the key signature, the second to last flat is A flat, so this is A flat major. With 3 flats, the second to last flat is E flat, so that is E flat major. The only flat signature this doesn't work with is F major, but you just have to remember that F major has 1 flat. In a sharp key signature, find the last sharp and then go up a half step, and that will give you the tonic name. So if you have 1 sharp in the key signature, we go up a half step from F sharp and get G, and indeed G major has 1 sharp. With 4 sharps, the last sharp is D sharp, and a half step up from D sharp is E, and we get E major. Key signatures can help us learn the major and minor scales quickly by using the tonic and the key signature. So for instance, if you ask me to play a D major scale, I'd start on the tonic, in this case D, and then play all the way up to the next D, making sure to play F as F sharp and C as C sharp, since that is what the key signature told me to do. We can use the same technique for natural minor scales by using the relative major key signature. If you ask me to play E natural minor, I'd start on the tonic of E and play all the way up to the next E, making sure to play F as F sharp, since that is what the key signature told me to do. You should memorize your major and minor scales by both the tonic and the number of sharps or flats. If you see a key signature with 2 flats, you should immediately know that it's the key signature of B flat major. Or if somebody asks you to play a D flat major scale, you should know it has 5 flats. You should also memorize the key signature for all 12 relative minor scales. For example, C minor uses the key signature of E flat major. B minor uses the key signature of D major. And F minor uses the key signature of A flat major. One word of warning about key signatures: they don't always tell you the true key of a song. If you see 2 flats, the piece might be in B flat major, or it might be in G minor, since G minor is the relative minor of B flat major. If there are 4 sharps, it might be E major, or it could also be C sharp minor. You'd have to listen to the piece and analyze it a little bit further before deciding what the tonal center is for that song. We'll show you how to analyze music in depth a lot more in later tutorials.